Okay, so I was out this morning messing about, doing something I shouldn't be doing with my Mini 5 Pro, and I chipped one of the props. Okay, I'm not going to raise up the drone any more than that, and we'll see what happens. I'll just get myself armed. So this could be, I'm pulling me, right. Okay, that's a good start, isn't it, eh? Wasn't expecting that. Anyway, on the screen it was asking me check or replace propellers, but they look... So what do you think I should do, guys? Do you think I should carry on, or do you think I should give up and save my drone? A short video, but a safe video. It sounds to be making a funny sound, so I will check the props later on. I don't know if you heard the noise, but what's happened, that's why I've given it up. I'm not doing this test anymore. You can see, I don't know if you, I don't know, it's not easy putting on the camera. Right, anyway, I don't know if you can see that. I'll get out on the focus. Right, so what's happened is the orange tip is broken, and I think what it was doing is making that funny flippy sound. Well, it's like a humming sound, wasn't it? So yeah, I mean, that's what happens, isn't it, eh? When you're being an idiot. So, need to exchange it. One thing I love about DJI, I mean, you can use third-party props. Obviously, they're cheaper, but I like using the DJI stuff because I know if I've got a problem, it's going to be fine. If there's a problem with the new ones, they're not right, I can send them back and get new ones. So, what I love is it actually tells you on the packet which one you need. Now, mine's my front right side. They're marked anyway, and if I notice straight away what it is on this one, it's got they make it so easy now, and twist it off anti-clockwise. Well, I'm just going to show you again, because if you watch that video, I don't know, see that very well. Hopefully it's focused. Anyway, it's got that. The drone was flying off fine with it, but it was making a not a very good sound. And it's always, any chip, guys, just replace it. It don't cost a lot, do they? So on the packaging, that's got orange, which this one is. And this one, I presume, looks like it's sort of grey or white. So that's for that one. So you just take it out of the packet, being careful not to cut off the tips of the props. And guys, just throw it away. There's no point in keeping that. And then we just line up the cogs on here, push it in. There it is. And obviously, what I would suggest to make sure it's going to work is put the drone on. So let's get the controller out. I just want to set up the props. So I'm going to keep that in my bag, because I know me, I won't do it straight away, but I will do that, reorder that in the week. Push in these sticks. That.
Take off.
No. I don't want to take off. Not with this one. But anyway, just going to cut it. So no humming sound like I had before the props. So they're all on. Now I'm sure if they weren't put on correctly, it would come up on that screen. But anyway, it's all done well. Just a quick one, guys. For those who don't know how to replace their props, and what's good about this, with the Mini 4 Pro, you had to mess about with the screws. With these, you just twist. So much easier. Okay, as always, I'm going to catch you on another video very soon.